Next morning, the girl washed her hanky. Then she spotted the little white mouse who squeaked, "Can you please help my babies? It's terribly cold in our house." The little girl thought for a moment, and on the next page you will see that the mice got the blue spotted hanky, and they were as snug as could be. So the baddies were soundly defeated, and they said to each other, "Let's pack." Then they went off to stay with an ogre, and none of them each came back.